So I've had this little vise for years. It worked great until I broke it. I think these rust spots indicate that the vise had been cracked for a while before it broke. I paid $25 for this thing at a flea market. This is by no means a high quality vintage vise, but it seems pretty tight and with some cleaning up should serve me well. Disassembly was pretty straightforward. Nothing was rusted together. I put gloves on because the vise was slathered with anti-seize. I used mineral spirits to clean the parts. It did a decent job removing the anti-seize, and I like its low odor since I am working in the basement. I tried to remove as much of the rust as I could with just about every wire brush in my arsenal. Okay, here's all of the parts ready for reassembly. I got to as much of the rust as I could, and I sprayed the inside of the casting where I couldn't reach with WD-40. Instead of anti-seize, I used generic red lithium grease for reassembly. Here she is all back together, runs nice and smooth. I ran it in and out a bunch of times and wiped off all of the excess grease. Here's a photo of my flea market vise in her new home. Thanks for watching.